Hey guys, Jack Silverado mechanic. I'm out here with my 2006 Chevy Silverado. In the middle of January, went to get in the truck. No problems. Went to get into the back of the truck, and don't know if you can see, but broke the handle right off. Plastic pieces, they get brittle. It happens. So we're going to replace that today. So I went ahead and I ordered some new ones. Got them in the mail. They're not too expensive. We've got a left and a right hand side. They're clearly marked. The left hand, right hand. Looks like it takes 2 screws. They're T30 hex Torx bit to take this thing off, top and bottom. Should be able to just take that right out of there. Looks like that's all there is to it. Just bolt it. It doesn't get much easier than that. And make sure you get the one that's marked left hand for the driver's side. Looks like the only thing that you might want to transfer over is this little rubber foam piece here. Don't know if there's a necessary need for it. It's kind of stuck on there pretty good too, so you might take a razor blade to this, peel that off of there maybe. But for me, my truck's got 160,000. I don't think it needs all of that, so we'll just go ahead and put this right back in there. Now you're bolting down plastic. Now these are made out of plastic, so you don't have to go real tight. Good enough. Now you check the functionality of it. Seems to work pretty good. Fairly easy fix for a brittle piece of plastic. It happens. And for those of you that have watched the video of the seat that I replaced, you can see where the tear was in there. It's looking a lot better. If you find yourself in need of a seat, I got a video. Check it out. Worth doing. Doesn't take too long. We'll just rinse and repeat on the passenger side. Two bolts. And just like that, you've got new door handles on the inside on the back of your truck. Thanks for watching.